What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna look at how you can create a channel description that will be enticing, engaging and interesting to your viewers with AI. You simply go to chatgpt.com. That's exactly what we're gonna use today, ChatGPT, to create the best channel description for your YouTube channel. Simply head there and type create a YouTube channel description for a cooking channel, for example, or a personal finance expert, or a gaming channel, or a travel vlog, right? There are plenty of different options. Keep in mind that you want to select the option that correspond to the YouTube channel that you want to create. For example, for a cooking channel, and then add that is interesting and engaging and compelling and in 1,000 characters or less, because a YouTube channel description has a limitation. It should only be 1,000 characters or less, and then you hit enter right here, and then the AI, ChatGPT, will prepare an amazing YouTube channel description for us that we can use on your new YouTube channel. You simply select everything, copy, right here, copy, very easy. And then you head to youtube.com. And then you would go to your channel on the top right by clicking on your profile picture, click on view your channel to change the description right here. You will head to your YouTube channel and then click on customize channel to go to your YouTube channel dashboard to change the description. And under channel customization, on your dashboard, you simply scroll down to the description part and then poof, you select everything and paste. And voila, you will have a new description for your YouTube channel that is amazing, interesting and engaging and will inspire viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Don't forget to enter your channel name right here instead and replace channel name. For example, for a cooking channel, you can name your channel, for example, Cooking with Sam, if your name is Sam. Don't forget to check for any spelling or grammatical error. And if everything is fine for you, you simply click Publish on the top right, and then it will save your changes. Thank you for watching this video today with me, guys. I hope it was helpful. Click here to see the next useful YouTube tips, and I will see you there in this video. Bye bye.